Hey peeps, this is the nightly review. Yeah, I know. Nobody knew we had a nightly review, but we do. So usually at the end of the day, just gonna do like a recap what's going on. I don't want to call it like a diary, kind of sound too weird. If I do have a video diary, but or maybe not. So today was a good day. Why? Because I made it a good day. Everything was cool. Trying to cut down on my smoking because it's definitely affecting my breathing, and I don't see myself going through life without oxygen tank. Jamaica is improving on its position on the U.S. travel advisory. Not sure if anybody pay attention to that, but if they do, then I think we're moving up, which is good, in the right direction, moving up in the right direction. So it seems as if the U.S. has deemed us a much safer place to travel. And I'm thinking like, what did we do to deserve that? You know what I'm saying? And, when will we find that out? Will we find out that in our generation, or we're going to find that out in our children's generation? Election is September 3rd. And I can say everything is going pretty well, I think. Calm, as far as violence is concerned. As far as people applying logics to the process, still crazy. Once a PNP, always a PNP. Once a Labourite, always a Labourite. That's just the way that is, particularly in the garrison communities, which you can basically understand too, because people have literally died to maintain those areas, so there's no switching up. There's a couple of good things that are going on though, as far as this government is doing. One that I'm definitely impressed with is the school bus system. Well, right now it's for rural areas. I think they're extending it in the rural areas, but eventually they're definitely going to need to bring that come town. No doubt. But yeah, that's basically the nightcap of it all. See you tomorrow night. All right.